Hello friend, this is Tom from DAPU company. Today we will load one wire mesh welding machine and send it to Philippines. This machine is for 3 to 6 millimeters. And the whole production line needs one 40 feet container. Before loading, we will do some preparations. Every part of the machine is numbered, which is convenient for your install. You can install the machine by connect the same number. It is very easy for you. The wire of the electrical cabinet has been connected with the main welding machine, so you only need to connect the machine with your factory cable wire and start work. And the main welding machine is fixed by the steel wire, so to keep the machine stable during transportation. And we have test report, manual operation, machine layout, and electrical drawing picture for you to help you install and operate the machine, like the picture on my hand. This is the test report and manual operation, machine layout, and the electrical drawing picture. This will help you install and operate the machine easily. This is the signage of this machine. It shows some basic information of this machine, like model and voltage and etc. If you have different requirements, we also can attach your company logo on the machine. As you can see, there is a plastic film outside of the machine. When machine is finished, we will test and debug the machine and send the running video to our customer. After confirmed there is no problem, we will package the machine with the plastic film to prevent it from rusting. This is the free spare part of this machine and toolbox. And unload this machine, you need a 5-ton forklift, like this forklift. All parts are loaded into the container, and we will fix the machine with the nails and the steel wire to keep the machine stable during transportation and protect it from collision